Hey guys, Taylor here from thetradinganalyst.com. We're going to take a look at the oil chart here via USO. If you're noticing, I cut off all my hair. It is so hot in Arizona. I've got to cool myself off a little bit. We also had a baby, and that's why I haven't been making videos. But I'm back on the videos, and let's jump into oil here. So, if you watched the last video I did on oil, we mentioned that oil was likely going to see some kind of a bounce around this level. What do you know? That's exactly what happened. This is a huge, huge bounce from about 1075 is where I called for this bounce, and we came up all the way to about 1250 right there. Okay, that's about a 20% gain if you're trading USO alone. If you're trading options like we do here at thetradinganalyst.com, you could have made as much as 300% on some monthly options. Okay, so USO right here. Why did we get a bounce? Well, first and foremost, we have a Fibonacci retracement level. If you draw it from right here to right here, so the swing low to the swing high, and you've got the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level right here, right there, which is right where we started to see a reversal signal. Lining up at that same exact point is support. Oops, right there. Okay, support. You can see that these lows hit it right here, right there, and right here. Okay, so we've got support, we've got Fibonacci retracement level, and I'm going to zoom in here a little bit. We also got a couple of reversal signals, okay? We had a couple of closes over the previous day's high right here. We had a failed breakdown right here, only to get a gap up right here. Same thing here, we had a dip, and then this was really the strongest signal. Excuse me, I can't even talk. This was really the strongest signal that we had right here. But we started calling for the bounce right over here when we started seeing these reversal signals right here. And a lot of times oil kind of trades with the market. Not always, but a lot of times it does. And typically when it reverses on the same day as the market, it will trend with the market, which is part of the reason why I thought that oil would get a bounce at this time, because this is right when the the stock market started to bottom as well. So first and foremost, congratulations if you've been watching these videos and you followed along and made money. Okay, if you're a member, you'll get real-time trade alerts, not just a video like this pointing out that I believe that oil will bounce, but you get an actual alert for an actual position of when to buy and when to sell. So as far as what to do now with oil, well, now our first target was already hit. Okay, first target, just like I mentioned in the last video, was right around here, right around 1250, between here and here, based off of these highs right there. Okay, now we did see a dip in oil right here, but we're still in an uptrend right here. Okay, we're still in an uptrend, so we could kind of reset down here and then potentially head higher. But to me, this was, when we headed down here, this to me was very high confident play. Okay, I said oil was likely going to get a bounce here. This is why, and here's a target. Right here, we don't have that signal just yet. Okay, we don't have a new signal. Right here, we're still just kind of riding this current signal right here because we're still in a trend. So I don't have any new directional advice or thoughts on oil other than we got the bounce right here. We're in an uptrend right here, and since we bounced at that 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level down here, like I mentioned previously, we are in an uptrend from a longer point of view as well. Of course, if you back it up even longer than that, you know, like 5 years, of course, yes, we are in a downtrend here for oil. But if you look at like the last year, since this low, we are in an uptrend since we bounced at the 61.8, because typically stocks rebound at their 61.8 if they're going to continue that trend up. If it broke below that 61.8, yeah, we can get a bounce right there, but typically it would mean that that uptrend here that we created from this low would have been over. So as far as, again, dipping back to what to do now with oil, if we break over this level, over about 12.50 or so, and close over that level, you can see it was resistance here and right there. And then I think we can come up here and tag that level here, which is right around 1280 if you're looking at USO. But if you look right here on the Fibonacci retracement level from this high to this low, you can see that the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level is right around here at that resistance level. So I wouldn't be surprised that once we got up there, we would see some kind of a dip and then a reset. So as far as, just to kind of summarize my thoughts, still holding this uptrend right here, and the trend is up until proven otherwise, okay? Until proven otherwise. And as far as supports, we've got a nice support. Oops, well, I can just use that Fibonacci retracement level as a support. So there's that support based off of this resistance from this high, that high, and these couple of highs right here. And to give you a specific level on USO, that's right around 1140 approximately, okay? So those are my thoughts on USO. One more thing that I just kind of forgot about is this downtrend too. Okay, we've got this downtrend line that started here, rejected many times right there in a row, and here we are once again 3 days in a row with the highs hitting that downtrend line. So a break over that and this resistance level would be significant for oil. Okay, those are my thoughts on oil. Now, I mentioned earlier here, yes, we make these videos, but if you want actual real-time alerts for when I'm entering or exiting positions, you have to join our premium membership community. And why should you join? Well, first and foremost, if you want to make money in the market by trading options, and I'm talking about consistent money. We're not talking about having a lucky week or a lucky month or anything like that. We're talking about consistent profitability in the market using options here. And you can see here, our wins are almost twice as big as our losers, and that is how you remain profitable. 47% right here is the average win percent. The average loss is 25%. The total gains here for the last 12 months for this portfolio tracker that tracks every single trade that we make here at thetradinganalyst.com. The winners, the losers, the break-even trades, all of them get uploaded here to the portfolio tracker. In the last 12 months, the portfolio tracker is up $265,000. All right, guys? So if you want to make winning trades using options, then you have to join the premium membership community. In addition to these alerts, the entries and exits are both given via text message in real time anytime I'm entering or exiting a position. In addition to that, you're also getting a watch list that's updated daily with current positions that I'm watching. I also have an open positions list, so you can track all of our open positions as well. We recommend position sizing as well. All of our trades come with a stop loss because, newsflash here, not all of our trades are winners, and if that's something that you're expecting, then you should sign up for a different service. But if you want a realistic view on the market, then I suggest you join here. We also give you the watch list, and I cover video analysis for most of the plays that we have on our watch list, so you're prepared ahead of time for every single one of these trades. And it's not just about these alerts. We also have 60 hours of educational content that I've personally curated myself that is available to you as a member. So go ahead and check it out. Check out the website, get to know us a little better. Reach out to me if you have any questions about the membership. and I'll be happy to chat with you. The other thing that I want to mention really briefly, we are raising our prices in the next couple days. I'm just waiting on my web developer to kind of finish a few things on the website. Once he updates those things in the next coming days, we are going to be raising the prices by a lot. We're almost tripling the cost of the current membership. The prices that you currently see on the website and the value that you get out of it is more than 10 times the cost of the membership. So the reason I'm bringing that up to you is because if you want to lock in the current prices that you see, the lower rate that's currently available, now is the time to do so. You're still going to be able to join later at the higher rate, but just kind of throwing that out there in case you wanted to lock in the lower rate. So if you have any questions about that, if you have any questions about oil or anything else, please let me know. I'll be happy to chat with you. Have a great rest of your day and good luck trading the markets this week. I'll see you guys next time.